The rest know or not? Only 16 of you here. Help me to inform your friend that who yet to join the class. Okay, go to your Google Classroom first. 2023, yeah. Okay, so today we will do revisions of your midterm test on next Monday. Yeah? So in your Google Classroom, you can see this one. And Mr. Song already shared the past year midterm question, midterm test here. Okay, there were 2 extra exercise here for your midterm. This one past midterm test. So 1 and 2. So we will do the practical extra exercise 1 together now. So you click this, download first. Okay, open the question. Open the question. So we'll do the extra exercise 1 for midterm. Okay, class rep here or not? Class rep. Only 17. I should have 20. $25. You guys got 25. 25 of you, is it? Okay, minus 1. 24. No, only got 20. Faster help inform your friend. Those are still not here yet. Just you want to start to do the practical and no practical. Okay, this one extra exercise midterm, midterm test soon. Okay, now it's 3:07. Wait 3 more minutes. Okay, can launch your NetBean first. NetBean. Ask them to join or miss no record lah. Still got few more here. Okay, 5 more not here. Okay, help a miss to see who is not here. Your friend is here or not. Then help to text them, WhatsApp them. Ask them to join the class now. Okay, your miss create new project first. This one is extra exercise 1. We always put at the desktop, easier. Who on the mic here already, everyone? Can we start? Yes, no? Ready or not? Yes, yes, that, no? Can type here lah. Can type in the Google chat box. Class rep here or not? Class rep? Is your class rep here? Never mind, then we start lah. No ah. It means he haven't reached the hostel yet. Never mind, already 10 minutes. Not 40 already. We better start lah. Huh? You miss already good enough to start at 9:30, not 9 o'clock. Okay, so you make sure you have the question now. Okay, let's do the question first. So in your midterm next Monday, okay, you will have theory question like question 1, 2, 3 that you need to answer. So total, your midterm is 40 marks. Okay, put here first. Okay, so your coursework, so this one, this coursework is actually 70%. And then your final exam is actually 30%. So your coursework is only two components. We break down to two components for your coursework. So the first one is your midterm. Okay, your midterm is 40%. Next Monday you're going to sit for it. And then your assignment, okay, is 60%. Okay, two components only for coursework. Midterm 40%, assignment 60%. Then it will convert to 70% of your overall coursework mark. And another 30% will be your final exam. Okay, so now let's do this midterm question. You can see question 1. So list out and objects of your preference. So identify 3 relevant data members and also 3 possible operations that perform on this data member. Okay, 7 marks here. Okay, so you can list out any object. Okay, so what we have done in practical 4A, like employee objects, okay, student objects, and then course object, okay, the one that we did, or the car, a registration object, so any objects, okay, so you can list out. Okay, let's just pick the easiest one. All of you are student. Okay, let's take student objects. Okay, you just need to give one example. Okay, can be student. Okay, and you identify the data member. Okay, data member. Okay, list out 3 things, the 3 data that you have as a student. Guys, what you have? Student will have what data? Okay, where's the meet? Guys, student will have what data? Name, okay, other than name, okay, ID, age, okay, good, okay, gender, ID, and name, age, gender, address, okay, program, okay, year of study, okay, you have CGPA, okay, what else? See, you guys got this out. Okay, any data member you can think of. Okay, like cost, okay, taken, okay, etc. Okay, so you just need to list three, three. So you must give more than three here lah. Then operations, okay, three possible operations. So as a student, okay, what you can do, guys? What operation that we can do? Okay, you as a student, what you do? What operation that you can perform? Enroll classes. Okay. Some more? You need three, oh. Hey, you guys are student, oh. Okay, do assignment. Book facilities. Apply leave. Okay, good, good, good. Okay. Enroll class. Okay. Enroll is wrong, And then you can book facility to assignment. Okay. So you can register. Okay, enroll class also is register course. Okay, you can pay your fees. Okay, pay your school fees. Okay, you can withdraw from the program. Okay, you can check your CGPA. Okay, you can apply leave. Okay, you can book facility. Any others? Book discussion room. To assignment. To assignment is methods or not? Okay, so if you got enroll class here, then you need to put your data here, like class 10. Okay, course taken, register course, will take course. Okay, fees. Okay, fees, so school fees. Okay, withdraw, so program. Check CGPA, so you have CGPA here. The data must be there, your operation. Apply leave, so leave no data here, so have to add in. And leave taken. Facilities, so you have to put it in here lah. Okay, facility use. Facilities use. Okay, etc. Okay, any others operation that you can think of? Then you put here. Then you must put your data here. Data here. Okay, so this will be answer for number 1. 7 marks, 7 marks. So 1 mark for the object, student. Okay, 3 marks for the any tree here, data. Just need to list 3. And then 3 marks for the operation. So you list any 3 operation here. Okay, can step. So you will have theory question like this. Okay, so we go to question 2. Okay, question 2, define this one we discussed before. So what is method overloading? Guys, what is method overloading? What is same? What is different? Okay, what is method overloading? Method with the same what? What is same? What is different? Type here. Okay, same name. Good. Then why is the one different? Okay, we don't say a different data type. Okay, is different parameter list. Okay, either is the data type difference or the number of parameter different. Okay, it's not necessary to different data type. It can be one with one parameter, another one with two. Okay, number of parameters. Okay, so mention okay, method overloading. Okay, is a method with the same name but different parameter list. Okay, so either the data type or the number of parameter different or parameter lah. Okay, different parameter list. So either okay the data type or the number of parameters. Okay, this one mark only, 1 mark only. So you just need to mention same name. Okay, different parameter list. Okay, you get 1 mark. Okay, can step now. We go to number 3. You have to read your question carefully during your test later. You see number 3, based on the method operation that identify one. So you must pick the methods that you identify here in question 1. Then write 2 empty methods as example for the method overloading. Okay, so pick any methods here. Okay, like you pick your miss will pick okay, check CGPA or pay fees also can, or enroll class also can. Okay, you put public. So what you need to show here, you need to show a method with the same name. Okay, let's say we use pay fees. Okay, then you can pass in a string, which is your student ID. And this one is one method. Then you overload it. Okay, same name also, method with the same name. Empty method lah. So mention here empty method. So you don't need to write anything inside the method. Okay, just show same name. Okay, and then here you show number parameter different. Okay, one you just need to pass in student ID. Another one you have to pass in, okay, the name. Okay, you want to add in one more also can. When you pay a fee, you also need to pass in your program. Okay, so this one only one parameter. Okay, this one got 3. This one method overloading. Okay, 2 marks here, 2 marks. Okay, so 1 lah. 1 mark here, 1 mark here. Okay, so empty method, so no need to write any implementation inside the method. Okay, so this one 7, 1, 2, so 10 marks. 10 marks are theory questions. Okay, so another 30 mark will be code. So all this you have to write, have to write on paper, answer on paper next Monday during your midterm test. Okay, you can print screen or take pictures. Okay. Done not? Okay, you can snapshot. Okay, done. Then you respond to your miss lah. Okay, okay ah. And your miss always need to check the Google chat. If one of you got mic, you just on your mic and say miss done. Then your miss no need to keep on see this one. Okay, now we see question 4. Question 4 is code lah. Code. So next Monday you will be no napkin in front of you. You have to write out all the code on your own. So you are given UML diagram here. Okay, so about this cake order class. Cake order class. So we have data members here. Okay, cake code. Okay, string. Quantity is integer. Flavor, string. Types, string. Okay, and this one actually got underline. You see underline or not? Okay, you see got underline here. Okay, in the UML diagram. Okay, this one is static member. Okay, static member. Okay, Unipri is a static member because you see got underline. So this four no underline, so it's an instant data. Okay, belong to the object lah. Instant data. This four. Okay, so this one go to the method. This should be the constructor. So your class name is called cake order. Okay, so the constructor is not cake. So correction here. This one is cake order. Okay, your constructor must be same name with your class name. Okay. Still here or not? Assistant class rep. Then where is class rep? Okay. So your attendance later, your miss will take using the Google Meet attendance. Okay, some of your friends still not here. Your miss don't know lah. Class rep can help to inform the few of them. Okay, let's see cake order. This is the constructor. So for the constructor, we just need to pass in the cake code. Cake code. This one is cake code, not code. Cake code. This one. Okay, cake code. Okay, pass in the cake code as a string and also the quantity. Okay, two only, two data. Okay, that you pass in the parameter constructor. And then we need to do assessor for all the instant variable. So we got 4 here. So we need to do the assessor get. Okay, the get method for all the 4 instant variable. Okay, and then we need to do the toString method. Okay, so this is the UML diagram. So let's read the questions. So based on the diagram, implement the cake order class. So we have to do this class lah. Okay, this cake order class. Then what you need to do, the following requirements must be included. So have to set the unit price to 7.90, 7 ringgit 90 cents. So unit price, okay, unit price here is your static members are here. Okay, double have to set to 7.90. Okay, then in the parameterized constructor, first letter of the cake code. The cake code, so we need to take the first letter. Okay, which will tell you the flavor. Okay, the flavor of the cake. Okay, so first character, if it's S, okay, then it will be strawberry. Okay, if you see, then it will be chocolate. So if B, then it will be vanilla. Okay, so first letter give you flavor. Then extract the last three digit. The last three digit of the cake code will tell you will determine the types. Okay, the types of the cake. Okay, if the last three digit is 100, then it will be a sponge cake. Okay, if it's 200, then it will be a pound cake. So if 300, then it will be a chiffon cake. Okay, so the last three digit will tell you the types of the cake. So this thing you have to check in the parameter constructor. Okay, then we do assessor method. Okay, to string method will return the string as per the sample output show in figure 1. Exclude the header order summary. Sample output, so your toString method go down here. This is the sample output. So you have to output this one. Okay, the cake order, and then the quantity, the flavor is, type is, and the price is. Okay, exclude the header order summary, no need. So need to order one, need to output this one, the string 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now let's implement the cake order class. Okay, so now your miss will use NetBean. So in next Monday, you have to write out the cake order class. Okay, so let's create the cake order class now. Go to your NetBean. Okay, right click, create a new Java class. Okay, create the cake order class. Can see or not the code? The text okay? Okay. So next Monday, so you write this one. This packet no need to write. Okay, write this one. Public class cake order. This one got 1 mark. Right. Public class cake order 1 marks already. Then put in all the data member that you have. Mana? Yeah. Okay. So put all this data member. You miss copy. Okay. Put there. So all your minus size, the minus sign is actually is private. Okay. Put private. And then your data type. Okay. You put in front. Then cake code. Okay, this one, end of statement, semicolon. Okay, so replace all minus sign is private. So next Monday you write up. Okay, write private, and then the data type is in front here. Okay, so the rest are end of statement, so semicolon. Change the total to semicolon. Okay, so for the okay, so your unit price, you see got underline here. Okay, so this one static member. So add the static here in front of the data type after your private. Okay, public, private static double unit price. Okay, this one mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. Okay, right, private, and then your data type. Okay, and then your data members lah. Okay, code, quantity, flavor, type. Double. This one static, so must have static keywords in front. So you didn't put static, it will minus mark. Okay, so remember UML diagram underlines represents static. Okay, so you start by writing public class key order. Package no need to write. Okay, now we will read the question. Where's the question? Okay, see here the requirements. So set the unit price to 790 to set to equal 790. Okay, set it to 790. So now we will go to the methods. So we start with the parameter constructor. Okay, parameter constructor, cake code that you just need to pass in the cake code and the quantity. Cake order, cake order. Okay, constructor. So all the plus sign there, with all this plus 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 is public, public. Okay, public. And then your constructor cake order. Okay, you just need to pass in your string. Okay, and cake code lah, your cake code and your quantity. Okay, so in the question got mentioned use the this whatever possible. Got your just now haven't read. Yeah? Okay, fully utilize the these keywords wherever possible. Okay, so we use the this keyword lah in the parameter construct. Okay, this one parameter. Okay, so you this dot code. Okay, equal to cake code and this quantity. Okay, equal to quantity. Okay, so this quantity here, okay, equal to this quantity. So this data member cake code that refer to the class one. So equal to this cake code is the parameters here. So in your parameter constructor, you only decide or you only pass in your cake codes and quantity. So the flavor and the type we have to ourselves depends on the cake code. So read the question. How to get the factors that we should use? Okay, to get the first character. First character will tell the flavor. Okay, let's say your miss just use short form FLV. Okay, cake code. Okay, so which string function that we should use to get the first character of a string? Anyone? How to get the first character? Boer left already your class. Guys, anyone know how to get the first character from a string? Just not sure you left. Okay, how to get the first character from a string? which methods that we should use. Okay, when you dot a string dot, okay, you have a lot of string method here. So which method that we should use to get the first character? Anyone know? Oh, because I haven't do practical 5 yet, string, but you learn chapter 5 already, yeah? Okay, so which methods that you can use to pass in the index? You see here. Okay, so we will use the first one here, char add. Char add. Okay, char add. Okay, return the char value that specifies index. So first character, so it's char add. Pass in the index 0. So you get the first character, then you can compare. So if your flavor equal to what? I check your question. S. Okay, S is strawberry. S. If it is S, then you set the flavor to strawberry. And then use else if your flavor is, the second one is what? See here? Okay, C. Okay, then it's chocolate. And this flavor for chocolate. Okay, then else. And else is what? Third one. Okay, Walina. Okay, you only have 3, yeah? Okay, get the first characters from your cake code, char 0. So if it's S, then the flavor set to strawberry. If it's C, set to chocolate. Else, then vanilla. Okay, done the flavor. Now we have to get the type. Okay, done the flavor. Okay, now we have to extract. Okay, extract the last 3 digits from the cake code, which will tell you the type. Okay, 3 digit. So how to get the 3 digits from your cake code? Okay, string type. And your miss just use the what? Okay, which method we can use here to get the last 3 digits from the cake code? Anyone know? Which method? Huh? So you want to get the last 3 digits from your cake code? Which method that we can use from the string class? Anyone can tell? Which method can use to get the three characters from a string? Concat. Concat is to use to combine. Huh? Other people? Yes. Okay, we use substring. Okay, substring to get a particular string. Okay, you see got two substring function here. Substring. Okay, got two substring function here. So return a string that is the substring of the string. Okay, so you have one that you have to pass in the begin index. Okay, this one only pass in begin index. Which index you want to begin to take? Okay, with the character at a specific index and then until the end of the string. Okay, another overloaded one. This one. Okay, this one you need to pass in begin index and end index. If you don't want to take until the end of the string, then you can use this one. Okay, you specify which one is your begin index and then until the character end index minus one. Okay, it means you want to take in the middle, not until the end, then you use this. Okay, you need to pass into the begin and the end index. If you only this one, okay, in this case, okay, we will take the last three digits. So we just pass in the begin will be your type. And so you use substring here. Then you have to pass in your begin index. We will take from index one. Okay, index 0 is your flavor. So index 1 until the end of the string, okay, will be your type. Okay, can we use equal to compare two string? Can or not? Can we do this, guys? Boleh tak boleh? Can or not? Can Answer is cannot You cannot get. No. Okay. So which method used to compare two string? So which method that we can use? Character you can compare like this above character, but string no. Hey, where come out this thing? So which method from the string class that used to compare two string? Try here. Or you can open your chapter 5 slide. Okay, which methods here that you can use to compare two string, guys? Okay, just now some of you give concat. Concatenation means combine string. Combine two string. You use concat. And your lecture got explain or not all the string function to you guys? Okay, which methods? The method is on the screen. Okay, equal or compare to, yes. Okay, you can either use equal or compare to. Okay, you misuse compare to. Okay, see here, compare to another string. Okay, another string. Okay, compare two string, let's see, graphically. Okay, the comparison is based on the Unicode values of each character in the string. So the character sequence represented by the string object is compared, okay, by the argument string. So the result is a negative integer. If this string receives the argument string, the result is positive integer. If this string, okay, so the result is 0 if the string are equal. Okay, return 0 exactly when the equal object method return true. Okay, so compare to another string here. Okay, your another string here is 100. Okay, if equal to 0, then you set this type equal to what? So 100 here is spawn cake. The syntax like you else if this one is 100. And this one is 200. 200 is what? Is this? Okay, from the questions. Okay, pawn. And then else. Okay, the type will be chiffon. Okay, so this one is to set the types by using the last 3 digit. You want to use dot equal also can. You can use dot equal also. So this one done the parameter constructor. Okay, so this one is to get the type. Okay, can see or not? Can get. If you want your miss to scroll, let you see the cake code for the flavor and also for the types. Snap or type in now. Done or not? Okay, so say done. The rest done. Then we will move to okay, parameter constructor done. So we will move to assessor. Okay, assessor for all the instant variable. Okay, assessor for all the data members. So we have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to do all the 4 get, get cake code, get quantity, get flavor, and get type. Okay, do the assessor method now. Done. Okay, now we do assessor method. Okay, public. Okay, we start with cake code. So cake code is a string. So return string, data type. Okay, return type string. Okay, get cake code. Okay, return cake code. And then second one, for this quantity. Okay, get quantity. Okay, quantity is an integer. The third one, flavor. Okay, get flavor. Okay, flavor is this one quantity. Sorry, I always replay long one. A flavor. And last one is type. Okay, get code, get quantity, get flavor, get type. And then the 4 assessor method. Okay, please make sure you write correctly. Don't lose marks in your get method. Okay, so puppet and then the return type and then get. Okay, your data member. Okay, it's a method without parameters. Don't put anything inside here. So just return the data. Okay, the data members. Yeah, this one is 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. So in the test, you have to write this out. Okay, puppet until get quantity and then return quantity. Okay, need to practice to write on paper. So exercise 2, you do on paper yourself. Okay, before your next Monday midterm test. So now all the get method. Need because got plus here, need to put puppet. Okay, because in front here got the plus. UML diagram got put plus mean puppet, got put minus mean private. The sign. Okay, plus sign is puppet, minus sign is private. Okay, if you see sharp, sharp is protected. Okay, so need. Okay, done all the assessor method. Done. Okay. Of course, got people put. Done, all the accessor. Okay. Now we go to the last one, to string method. Okay, done the accessor. Okay, now to string method. Okay, to string method, read first. Okay, to string method, return the string as per the sample output, exclude the header or the summary. And I'll put this one, this one. Okay, code without the order summary, the header. Okay, you need to output this code, quantity, flavor, type, and price. Okay, so let's do the to string method here. The public as to string method is return string, and you can take from the UML diagram there. Okay, can take from the UML diagram here then you write. Okay, now we have to output like this okay, code. Okay, return. Okay, since here the output you can see got decimal point. Okay, RM here, price is RM 39.5. This one decimal point. But actually by that should be 2 decimal point, but we just follow the output here lah. So you have to set to 1 decimal point, 39.5 for RM, the price. So we use string dot format. Okay, so you have to pass in the string here. The argument later lah, go down first. And I put the formats first. Okay, cake code. Okay, first one is cake code equal. Okay, your cake code here is V200 V200. So you see whether how many string. So it's a string, so how many string that you want to put here for your cake code. Okay, let's say we use put your argument here. Okay, your cake code we use 5 string. Okay, 5 string is enough. And then you have to output the quantity equal. So quantity. So can put /n for next line. The quantity equal. So this one integer. So integer you put D. Integer. Okay, then what else want to output here? Okay, flavor is flavor VOR, not VOR is okay. So string here, so argument. So let's say for flavor we use a 10 string. And then we have that is okay. We also use 10 string lah. Okay, then we have what? Try is. The price we use RM, and then here, okay, 139.5, 1 decimal point, so dot 1F. And then put all your arguments here. Okay, code. Okay, second is quantity. Okay, third one is your flavor. What you miss put here? Here is flavor. And then type. You see unit price here. Okay, price is, okay, how to get the price here? Okay, in the question got mentioned at the end here. Okay, no. Okay, price is actually unit price. Okay, unit price multiply with the quantity. Okay, we'll get the unit price. So I have to put here. This one will be your unit price. Unit price is your static members. Okay, this one static members here. Unit price. Okay. Okay, multiply with quantity. You want to bracket this also can. And this one will give you the price. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arguments here. So you have to pass in 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, find this one, the percentage side. Sign mean the arguments. Okay, done the two string methods. So we done the cake order class. Okay, any question? Okay, cake order class done. Okay, so this is the every two string method. This one 2 marks. 1 mark for the header here, 1 mark for the arguments here, 2 marks for two string method. Can we break a while? Then we continue with the main. Okay, cake order class already done. So now is 3, 8. Okay, we break until 4, 5. Okay, so that you can go drink water. Okay, or go washroom. 10, 4, 5. Okay, break a while. Now it's 3, 8. We break until 4, 5. So for those haven't finished your cake order class, you can finish your cake order class. If you don't want to break, miss need lah, ayo. break. Okay, go washroom. To continue the main, you can do first or finish your cake order class if you haven't. We come back, then we will finish the main. Okay, you can eat lah. You can eat now lah. Break lah. when you do the time, you take your rice and come in front of your PC while you're eating. You can do, okay. You can do your code. Okay, break, break, break. Yeah, OPEC. Okay, can you type back in the chat there so that your miss know you guys are back? Then we can continue. Your midterm is only chapter 1 to 4. It's already written in your Google Classroom, not here. Google Classroom. Okay, so your midterm that mentioned here, midterm test in our area, there will be changes, grouping. So this is your time. So for you guys, Monday. Okay, Thursday only got changes. Okay, it's already written here. Aside from practical 1 to 4C. 4C. So it means it's only chapter 1 to chapter 4 until 4C only. But this question, for your info, the courage of test is from chapter 1 to chapter 4 and practical 1 to practical 4C. Okay, but this question and this one that we do, the practical exercise here, got use string, got chapter 5. Got practical 5. This one is the string. This one is already. But for you guys, it's already mentioned in the classroom. Your batch is only until chapter 4, chapter 4C. Okay, so then cannot come up question with string here. Like this. So it will be easier. Okay, if come off the string here, then you guys can shoot the lecturer because I didn't set your midterm question. It's set by your Mr. Song. Okay, set by Mr. Song, and he written here. This is the coverage, so cannot come out chapter 5. Okay. Okay, OPEC. So let's continue. So we done the cake order class. Okay, next bin. So this is what you need to write for the cake order class. For class, I need to write on the paper. Write on the paper. Okay, during the test, we done that bin in front of you. Okay, now we go to do the main. Continue with the question. Okay, this is the main. So write a driver. Okay, driver program. Okay, driver programming main. Okay, and the name of the class is given, which is called test cake order. We test cake order class, main class to perform the following tasks. So we need to prompt user. Okay, then need user input use a scanner class to enter what? Cake code and also and quantity. Okay, as shown in figure 1. Okay, see here the output. So order entry, enter cake code, and the quantity. These two need to get from user input. Okay, example of cake code V200. So V is the flavor. So V is vanilla. 200 is the type of the cake. 200 is pound cake. So then after input, then we create an object. Okay, one object only need one object. No array and object. Okay, for the cake order class. Okay, then produce the order summary as shown in figure 1. Okay, output like this. Okay, so now we do the main. So this one, the main class already given. Task cake order must write this. Copy first. Okay, just now the main class. Miss already created. If you haven't created yet, you can right click create Java main class. Okay, but the name is not test order class, so have to change first. Okay, your Miss rename. Rename. Okay, so in your test paper, you write this public class test cake order. Okay, 1 mark. Okay, then put your main inside public, because this one, every time you create main class, it already auto generate for you. So in your test, you have to write out yourself on the answer script, the paper public static void. Okay, all the main methods is static. Okay, the one in the main class, all the method in the main class is static. Okay, so you need to write public static void main, and then the argument is a string array. String array argument. Okay, this one whole line need to write out is 1 mark. Okay, then this one got user input. You have to prompt user input so we need to import the scanner class. So you have to write this import java.util.scanner. Then this one also need to write import java.util.scanner. Okay, this one 1 mark. Okay, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. Okay, then create the scanner object. Scanner, the scanner object name. The new call the constructor. Pass in 1. Okay, system input here. Okay, system.in. And then you can print out the string already, the text. The print. Okay, use print line if it's only the header. Okay, let's print this. Order entry, order entry. Okay, order entry. So that it will be go to the next line. So if you want your input, okay, and your text string in the same line, you don't use print line. You use print is enough. Okay, if you use print line, then your input will be at the second line. Okay, this one what? See here, sample output. Cake, enter cake code dot dot. And then you can start to get the code. Okay, string cake code. Okay, use scanner. Cake code. So it's a single word, sir. If a single word, you can use next. Okay, if it is a string with more than one word, sir, or space one, then you need to use next line. Okay, get the whole line. Okay, so after get the cake code, then we need to get the enter quantity. Get the quantity. Okay, so entity is integer, integer. So scanner, the next integer, use integer. Okay, so this two is to get the from the user input. Okay, so after you get the cake code and quantity, now you can create the object. Okay, create the object for the cake code, cake order class. Okay, create the object. So cake order, cake order call the parameter constructor. Yes, so in the cake order parameter constructor, so you need to pass in the cake code and the quantity. Okay, so put your cake code in this one, and also the quantity. Eh, this one, apa delete one? Okay, so the constructor pass in the cake code and the quantity. And then can display the output. Okay, display the header first order summary. And then this one is the toString method, called the toString method. Okay, system out print line. Okay, order three. And then just call the toString method. Okay, system out print. The toString method for the cake order. To the toString. Okay. Object name. Okay, toString. Okay, done. Run. Try to run. Okay, order entry. So we 100. Yes. Okay, you need some space here, order summary. So can put a slash n here. Okay, we 200 quantity 5. Okay, so you see the input here, you input V 200 quantity 5. So order summary. So cake code is V 200 quantity 5. Flavor is vanilla. Type is pound. Price is RM 39.5. Okay, then we done. You can try other code like other cake code like C300. Okay, C300. Okay, quantity 10. So C, so if you put C here, so the flavor is chocolate. Okay, 300. So the type is chiffon. Okay, and then you put quantity 10, so it's 79.0, 79 ringgit unit price. Correct lor. So all can get. So with this one, we're done. So this one 30 marks, 30 marks. So you have to write all this in written, write in your test. Okay, if you can do all this, write on the paper without your miss, without the napkin, then you can get full marks in your test. Okay, this one from here. Import Java to scanner. So 1 mark, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 marks for the main. Okay, so with this one, we done the practical exercise 1. Any question? This one, test pad. It didn't mention in the classroom there. You bring your test pad lah, just in case. Okay, if your miss do the test, I will provide the space lah. It's mean answer on the space provided. But I don't know your Mr. Song or Miss Mala got do space or not. You better bring your own test pad lah. Okay. So any questions on the test before we move to your assignment? So we done. Okay, practical exercise 1, we done. Finish. Yeah, any question? So in your classroom got the exercise 2. This one you do yourself. Okay, before your test. Okay, can do on Sunday. Okay, the exercise 2 you do yourself. This one. Same one, no? Same one, no? The theory question almost the same, oh. You see? Only the class different. It's puzzle class. This one you do yourself. Your miss also didn't read the question. Also got string, no? This one you do yourself, exercise 2. Any more question? Okay, done, done, done. Done, everyone? All can get the output? Anyone got problem? So this is the main. Now you can snapshot print screen. Okay, good. Okay, so now your miss want to. Okay, I stop share my screen a while. I go and take one sample assignment to show you guys. Tete got show or not sample assignment? Oh, okay. Okay, you guys wait a while. I stop presenting. Okay, I go take the sample first. Okay, the sample is not a event management system. From past time, last time they're doing other system. Okay, the car one, they're doing the car, like your practical exercise 4A that we do the car registration. This one is also car, but it's service car. Wait, you want me to go and pick one sample. Simply pick from the previous Google Classroom. Two zero 20202. Assignment submission. Just take the first one. Okay. Okay, I present my screen again. Okay, all can see my screen now. You see this one is a first choice service center. So we see this one console. So output is in console. Okay, first choice car service. Then you have this login. Okay, login page. The manager login page. Okay, user ID. Then you key in. And then it come out the main menu. Okay, first choice service center. So can register appointment, can register customer, can register technician, can display transaction record, display technician detail, check appointment record, display service and access. Okay, this one enter your choice. Okay, this one is only two module, two people do. Okay, so for you guys may have your register, you have your add events and then register events. Okay, then register what sponsor, register organizer, register whatever. Okay, then display. So this one, if you enter your choice, verify user. So if you are customer, this one customer. Okay, then you key in customer name, ID, and customer car number, plate number, so you can make appointment, appointment session. Please enter the date. So you enter, make appointment, enter the date, year, time slot. Okay. Then you print out here is your appointment date and time. Okay, are you confirmed? Yes. Okay, confirm yes. Okay, then you have to please. Okay, transaction code created. So after you confirm your appointment, so you have your transaction code successfully appointed. So please pick a service from the following menu. So if you list out the services here, just like the car type that we list out for the user to choose. So now it's the services. You make appointment, you choose repair, repaint, wax or polish, inspection or maintenance. Okay, choose the service. So for you guys, maybe you have lots of event. So which event you want to register? Event 1, event 2, event 3, event 4. Okay, like the one do music festival, you have like 5 music festival, so you have to buy ticket. You want to buy which one? Okay, and the buy ticket one, if you have VIP ticket, a normal ticket, then you want to buy a category 1, category 2, or category 3. Select and then you buy tickets. Okay, this one is choose service, so you pick one, repair. Okay, then you choose from the technicians. So which one is your preferred technician? Okay, got 3 technician here that do repair, so you can choose them. Okay, put there. Okay, then you can print invoice. So after you choose the technician, okay, service selected, repair, price. Okay, what is the price for repair? 110. So this is the technician handle. Service count. So you already did service night time, so got discount. Okay, you got 30% discount for this service. So you get the price before discount. This one didn't format properly. The price must put RM in front and then 2 decimal point. Okay, 110. So after discount is 77 ringgit. Okay, then you print your invoice. Okay, your invoice like this. Just with the customer ID, date, customer name, car registration number, and the service type, repair, and then total how much. So this one print invoice. So for you guys may have print tickets. Print tickets like if join your event need to have the tickets after purchase, after register, after buy, then you print your tickets. Okay, some of you like got print receipt. Receipt. Okay, if you make payment, then you got receipt. Print the receipt. So thanks for your purchase. Please come again. Okay, record store. Then you have go in the add customer one. Then you can add the customer detail. And then you can add the technician detail. So for you guys may have like add your event detail and then add your the sponsor detail, add your venue detail. Then you display. Okay. Display this one, print all transactions. So display all the transaction record. This one not good. You see the things. Okay, line didn't use the string format for the space. So all cram. Okay, should use the space so that it will be nicely. Okay, that show the code, the name of the customer, the transaction ID, the car number, the date, the time, technician ID, and then the date and the price, how much. Okay, transaction record. So for you guys, you may have your event record like you print out all the event and then your participant record. You have to list out all the participant for each of the event. And this one display technician. So for you guys, may display the participants. Display participant with which event ID. Okay, show. This one format nicely. This format is good. Got space. Yeah. Okay, got put like your miss already teach you must put string space like what we did in the car registration module. The practical exercise. Okay, put the string so you have the space for each data type. Don't cram together like just now. Okay. So this one check transaction record by car registration numbers. Okay, you type in the car registration number that you can show all the transaction that he performed. Okay, already did all this service for these guys. So for you guys also can have like this participant, you type in the ID, then you can get this is report you can get what event that he has participated or registered and he got buy ticket. Okay, example in your record you got like 10 seminars. Okay, 10 seminar. And then this participant, this guest, these guys, okay, go and buy, okay, attend your seminar. seminar. Okay, it only attends seminar 1, seminar 3, and seminar 5. So you just list out. He got joy seminar 1. Okay, what is the title of the name of the seminar? Okay, the date and time. Okay, he got joy 5 or got joy 3. So you list out. Okay, this is called report. Okay, you can search by you can type in the participant ID, then you know what event he has joined. Okay. So display available service. This one can add service. I now got 5 service, and then this is the price. How much repair is 110. We pay 90. So for you guys, those like you got ticket one, then you can add in your ticket type so that they can select. You print out ask when they want to book ticket. They can select which type they want. Okay, so each of you will have your display own things to display and record. Okay, this one also got 2 video. Okay, the appointment 1 module. Okay, customer is 1 module, technician is 1 module. Okay, so the appointment one, so you're in charge of the appointment display, check appointment, and the print appointment record. Okay, so customer will in charge of the register customer and then display the customer transaction record. Okay, technician one, another module. So register the technician, then you display the technician detail. Okay, so 1 module. So user login, 1 module. So each of you like in charge at least 1 module in your assignment. Okay, draw the UML diagram. Okay, there's the UML diagram. So if your UML diagram is too wide, okay, you need to like break it down. Okay, break it down to few pages. Okay, inheritance. Make sure inheritance the triangle is not filled. Okay, it's a relationship like customer is a user, technician is a user, manager is a user. Okay, so for you guys, your user, you may have your admin, the organizer, admin. Okay, organizer, the one that can add event, and then you have your guest. Okay, that can purchase. Okay, user can purchase or buy or register to attend your event. Then you can have your sponsor, you can have your speaker. For concert one, you have your performers, your artists. Okay, all these are people. Okay, so this one is 2 person only. 2 person, 1 and 2. 2 person only. So for you guys, you have 4 person. Okay, for the event management system. Okay, so you have to submit your initial report. Your miss haven't created a classroom yet. I will create a classroom for you guys to submit later. Okay, so any more questions for your assignment? So after your miss show, now you have a idea already what you need to do your assignment. Okay, like the flow, just now the main menu, the flow, the choose what, that one. Okay, you describe, okay, inside your module. Okay, in your UML diagram, it didn't show the flow, it showed the class, okay, the data, the operations, and the relationship. Okay, like the one just now, the flow, you go to make appointment and then go to choose service, go to where. Okay, the flow you can explain in the description there. Can, So if those no question one, so that's all. Okay, that's all. You may leave the Google Classroom. Okay, so we're done. So if some of you want your miss to check your UML diagram, anyone want your miss to check your UML diagram? Okay, your miss stop presenting. Okay, the one that you want your miss to check your UML diagram, you can present your screen and on your mind to ask. Okay, if you okay already, the one that already checked. Okay, you can leave already. Thank you, class. Okay, Jia Zhen want to check. Then you show your screen. Or you want to email to your miss. Now that I can directly talk and comment. Okay, if you want to email to your miss, then I will reply the email after I check your uh, UML diagram. Okay, those want your miss to check one, you can present your screen and show your UML diagram. If don't no need one, then you can leave. And good night lah. Chào Trần. Hmm? You don't want to show to your friend.
Share. I'll be presenting now.
Either you don't want to share to your friend. Okay, the rest that no need to show one can leave. You want to see your friend UML diagram. But when your miss comment, then all of you can listen together lah. It's so small, your miss cannot see. Oh.
Yeah.
Wait lah. Make. Let your miss make it bigger. You can zoom bigger or not?
Can see.
Okay, user, admin, customer. Okay, good. Only admin and customer. You do what event?
Charity dinner.
Dinner. Charity dinner. Only got customer. Okay lah. Then two only. Come here. So one people do these three classes: user, customer, and the admin. Okay. Then come here. Payment receipt. Okay, can. Payment receipt. Payment general receipt. Okay, payment you got donation and ticket. The ticket. Okay, so event monitoring. 4 people Okay, ticket one people do. Attendant. Okay, the donation registration 1 people do. Okay, you have a lot of has is only the user there. Some more is
Yes.
ticket number is a ticket. Okay, is a ticket and donation is a payment. Okay, good. Can see your left. Right. Registration, scheduling. Okay, 4 people can. Like each of you already like have three to 4 classes when you schedule.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so after you have this classes, then you start to think of the flow. Let me show you the menu, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each of you think of your own module what the flow is. Okay lah. Some more, right? Scheduling, venue, expenses, advertisement, types of advertisement. A lot already. Can lah.
For this, the flow, the relationship is inheritance or superclass.
Which one? Expense, event and advertisement.
Then expenses.
This one is a or has a. Is advertisement is a expense.
So it's
an expense. Event is an expenses.
has a.
Has. Okay, if has a, then is the diamond lah. Then you put
diamond link to.
You put the class. So now expenses is inside the advertisement. Is inside the event, or event is inside the expenses. Or advertisements is inside the expenses. Should be the expenses inside the advertisement, expenses inside the event. Then the diamond point to the event class, point to the advertisement class. Okay, diamond means has a. Okay, has a, the class is inside. Like you put this has a, this one, this is this aggregation, this empty diamond here, event, you link to the what? registration. So it means event is inside the registration, correct? You have this event class object inside your registration or not?
What?
You see, you put this diamond
Uh,
event, you link to your registration. Mean the event must put inside the registration.
event must
Yeah,
put.
I see lah.
Yes.
So it means registration have has a event. Okay, relationship has a. So you
Yes,
put
event.
empty here mean is share. It mean one event can have many. Yeah, you put one dot 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 there.
Yes.
One to
One
many.
event get many registration.
Okay, if got many share one, then you put empty diamond. Okay, this one few diamond mean one. Okay, what attendee only can have one registration.
One attendee can have
Then your
one
attendee and
registration.
your registration, you put attendee inside the registration. One attendee only can have one registration. You fill the diamond. One is fill the diamond.
Because we do the event is just one dinner, or we need.
Not one dinner.
Uh,
Not one
oh,
dinner. Okay, many dinners.
okay. Can.
Uh,
So it's many events.
it means many events. It's not one event. Event management system is not going to handle one event only. You know, so you can have the array of event. Uh,
Oh, yes.
so the manager, the admin can add the event.
Can.
Not only one event. Your event management system is not only manage one event. Like the one doing wedding, when I say miss only doing one wedding. No. Wedding dinner many and music festival is not only one music festival you can add. So when you as a attendee go and buy ticket one, you can choose which event you want to buy. You want to register. When you do registration, you can choose which event you want to register. Okay, then you can print out each of the event. So then the detail. Okay, there's the reporting. Display the record of each event and what are the attendee that coming. Okay, what are the time, what are the venue. Okay, like venue is not only one. Okay, different event had different venue. So you have to have array of value also. Okay,
Okay.
like the array of card type. Uh, Same thing like you can have many advertisement for each of the event that can do many advertisement. Can no? And then your event, this one event and this arrow, why is fill arrow one?
Scheduling.
No, up, go up.
Oh, this one wrong.
Spencer, this one don't put this.
Wrong.
This one, arrow is another relationship. It dependency. You haven't learned. If you want inheritance, it should be the empty triangle. Don't fill the triangle. Okay, the arrow with the fill triangle. That one is dependency. Okay, you haven't learned like the booking like this one register. Okay, they have the event booking. Then you can have cancel, right? Cancel class. Okay, so dependency, the error relationship actually dependency you haven't learned yet. It will be in your chapter 8. So later you may need to like modify your UML diagram to add in the two more relationship association, the straight line. Okay, straight line only without any arrow, diamond or whatever. Straight line, that association. And also the just now the arrow, the arts one with the art one, that one is dependency. So it means this class is depend on another class. Okay, like the cancel class must depends on the booking class. Got booking then only can cancel. Something like this lah. Like the date class. Okay, must have calendar, must have the date. So it depends on the date class. There is dependency. But you haven't learned yet, so you may not put inside here. Okay, so feature and also abstract class, like inheritance. You haven't learned any abstract class in if during the implementations after you learn chapter 7 You want to make abstract class, then you can come and modify here your UML diagram to add in the things that you learn later. But this is fine already for now. Okay, so any more to ask?
Then if advertisement, it got an event inside, so we need to link advertisement to event.
It depends. Yeah. Event is inside the advertisement. So it depends on whether you want to put the advertisement inside the event or event inside the advertisement.
So
So
it's
now
I see
this one got event. I see event in the advertisement. So you should have one diamond point to
advertisement.
advertisement. Okay, from the event. Then you say one event can have one to many, so it's not few. Lor. Can have one to
Oh,
many advertisement.
then expenses need to be inside the advertisement and event.
Can lah. So if your diamond point like this, it means is inside the your expenses is inside the advertisement, your expenses is inside the event. Okay, done.
Okay.
Any more group want to show? How many group want to
Then
show?
this means
Hmm?
activity crew. Then crew inside activity, so has
Uh,
a crew.
you say the crew will do nothing one mah? Crew inside activity lah. What this is inheritance Activity is a crew
I
Crew
also
is
don't know.
if you point like this you see this triangle. The empty triangle is point to crew, mean activity is a crew. Correct or not?
Yes.
Yes
Oh no. For this is wrong.
Hey, the triangle is a relationship. Inheritance is a. Okay, like just now you say the admin is a user. Yes. Okay. Customer is a user. Is a relationship. For triangle. Okay. So this diamond is has a. Okay. You say activity has a crew. Yes or no? Then yes. And you
Yes.
put inside. Okay. Crew puts inside activity. Then correct lor.
Correct. Okay.
Mm. Okay
Thank you,
Done
Miss.
already. Good already. Okay, good. Any more?